My name is Audrey Wyser. I'm an AHC, DHT, DHC, CDT. I've been in the door opening industry for about 30 years before I retired. I think the most important tool you can have is knowledge. And whether it's product knowledge or code knowledge, whatever it is, you need to find somebody that can, help you when there's questions and all. And DOIT has the most knowledgeable instructors in this industry. The main goal of DOIT is to educate people. And in this industry, there are, most important thing is to find people that are knowledgeable and willing to help you. And Laura, Rodney, and all the instructors at DOIT are very passionate about what they do and about this industry and are always available to help and answer questions. Most of the instructors have been around for many, many years also and have seen pretty much everything and are willing to help and pass on their knowledge to you. And that's something that DOIT kind of prides itself on, that their instructors and their organization is really out there to help educate and not just teach to an exam or a certification. They want to help you with your everyday work in this industry.
Follow DOIT, your doorway to education.